What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102476. Now this is our SRT Hellcat conversion kit for the Dodge Durango. This fits a 2014 to a 2025 model. Now let's go ahead and get into this. Now in this kit, you'll have a front bumper and a rear bumper included. And all the parts will be listed in the description below. Now guys, if we take a look at this one, you'll be able to see it is compatible with the sensors. And then if we look at the back, they already have the brackets pre-installed for the sensors. Now if we set this aside, we can go ahead and move on to the front bumper. Now here's our front bumper. Now if we flip this around, you'll still see it has the sensors for it. And on the sides here, the grille here, we have two separate ones included in this kit for you. One with the LED and one without. So depending on which model you have, if it comes with the LED, you just install the grille for the LED or without it. And then if we flip around to the back here, you'll see it also has all the mounting points installed for your LED flashers, your sensors, as well as the control module for all your sensors. Now, if we set this aside, we can go ahead and start getting into the accessories. Now, one of the accessories being the front lip, which is VZ102523, if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now this is really easy to install, especially whenever you buy it with the conversion kit, because all you simply do is snap it into place and then bolt it down. Now all these tabs run along the entire top edge for easy install and to make sure it has a secure hold and stays attached to your front bumper. Then next, we can go ahead and pull out our grille. This is our front grille for the front bumper. Now this is also a really easy, fairly simple install. It should just snap into place right on the front bumper. And if we look here on the back, you'll see all the tabs, which it'll snap into place at. Now we can go ahead and move on. Then next, we'll have our rear diffuser. Now, the rear diffuser is pretty much the same as the other parts. It should just snap into place as well. And as you can see here on the back, it has the tabs running along the entire top edge for easy install. And then on the bottom, it also has these brackets to make sure it stays securely in place. Then next, we can go ahead and move on to the bottom grille, which does have a sensor cutout for your lane departure and lane assist. And this should also be a fairly simple install, just simply bolting it in place once you have it inserted into the front bumper. And then it has little notches cut out for the tabs to slide into. We'll have the step bar for the rear bumper, and this is what you'll usually use to step up to get into your trunk if needed. And I love this intricate design on the front to help gain traction. And this is also a fairly simple install. It should just snap into place with all the tabs as you see. Then next, we have our grills that I was talking about earlier. We should have two different types in here. Now, as you guys can see here, we have two different types for you guys. One's with the LED and one without, depending on which make and model you have. The next should be a bunch of accessory pieces. This is just trim for your rear bumper. Then next, we have our front grille trim, which is in gloss black. Now this is high gloss, as you can see, compared to the others. And last but not least, are the fenders themselves. And we have 4 pieces of these. They should be numbered 3 through 6. So you'll have 3, 4, 5, and 6 to complete the set. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos just like this. Make sure to like and subscribe.